Hello guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be playing some Garry's Mod. I'm not that energetic today because I'm really tired. Well, it's just that, so I was making a game, right? Yeah, I like to make games on this program called Blox World. And some guy tried to copy me when I tried to report him. And now his recreation, which is the same exact thing as mine, has gotten way more popular than the original, which sucks, if you guys understand. So today we're going to be doing another Tornado Versus episode, since you guys really liked the last one. I'll have the link to that video in the description, or if you're too awesome to go find it yourself, it's, I think, my second latest video. I'm just so tired, guys. I didn't even feel like making a video. So one of you guys said Tornado versus Tornado, like in real life, but I said no to that because obviously I'm not gonna throw my laptop into a tornado. Why the heck would I do that? Right now I'm in my own like little room thing. I honestly don't feel like making a video now. Alright. The F1, the F2, the F3, the F4, the Gustado, or the F5. So one of you guys, not like in the comment section, but not Sticky Piston, but another kind fellow replied to me in one of Infinitless's video, if you guys know that channel. Replied to one of my comments and said, "Hey, I know your channel. You should. I saw your last video. It wasn't. I was just kidding. But I made this up myself. But my sister Elise, she says so my sister Elise said, Plain Old House versus EF2. So we're gonna be doing that. Alright. So you guys may know, if you guys have seen the last video, it's basically like a wood structure that's welded to the ground, but only using one, and it's destructible. So let's go find one. Alright, I found one of those. So it's not really a big house necessarily. It's just a little house. Let's put a person in it. I can survive a tornado. Oh, I'm sure you can. So let's go ahead and spawn in the EF2 tornado. Here we go. Ready? Oh! Whoa! Oh! It just picked it up. Man, I did not think it was gonna go down that fast. It is getting demolished. Man, I don't think anything can stand between my tornadoes and G disasters, because you know those things are those things are even more destructible. I mean, the G disasters destroys more than these ones, so you know. So this is one of my new ones. It sort of looks like the G Disasters EF2, except for it uses the GMC map funnel. and it has the GMC suck dirt. As you can see, but I made my own, like, I made it so it can suck up things, basically. And there's Mr. Dead Brain over there, flopping around. Okay, guys, next thing is clean up the map, spawn in another destructible house, except this is a different one, and it has actual, like, props in it, so this will be interesting. And spawn the EF3 tornado. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to weld it. And spawn in the EF3 tornado. F3 tornado. Made this one a while back. Ready, guys? Oh my gosh! It is destroying everything. There's only a pillar left. It's gone. It's completely gone. It's wrecked. Alright, last thing that we're gonna do, maybe second last, we don't know, is spawn in the first house we used, which was this one, I think. Yeah, the one today, not the one yesterday. Is to spawn in the multi-vortex. Actually, you know what? Let's just do the original F5. Because one from GMC. This one right here. Alright, so let's go. Oh wait. Alright, I'll unfreeze it. Nothing lives. I swear, if it This tornado doesn't have. This one has least. Okay, we're gonna do the multi-vortex next. But let's see what lives. What's left of it? Absolutely nothing? Oh yeah. There's my EF5. It destroyed everything. Nothing's left. Like an actual F5. Alright, last challenge. You know what? Let's go all the way up the scale. First, we're going to start with the F1. Then the EF2. Then the F... Actually, we've already done the F2 and F3, so we don't need to worry about that. We haven't done the F4 yet. Let's do the F4. Actually, let's start with that. Oh, this one's just shaking. Told you. The F1 doesn't really do much. It's not that strong. Whoa, whoa! One of the wood pieces curved in and killed me. I hope you guys love my videos. Alright, whatever. Let's do that for. Oops, I accidentally undid the house. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, so I just welded it to the floor. Guys, remember that December 19th video I made about Thanks Creeper Team? Thank you again, Creeper Team. Alright, ready? Go. Is that freezing? Alright, well. Alright, ready? I'm freezing it in 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Just watching it get destroyed. The F4 doesn't. Dude, I really need to update the F4. It's not doing a lot of damage. Alright, I'll make it do a lot of damage. Oh man, I was gonna blow it up. Alright, I'll blow it up. Grenade! That was a really powerful grenade. Alright, see you guys.